Hello guys, welcome to KR Forex Trading. My name is KR Mokwena, the founder of KR Forex Trading, and here we have our backtesting system where we can be able to backtest our forex trading strategy in any financial instrument like gold, GBP JPY, USD JPY, Euro USD, and any other pairs. Join our everyday live webinar where we'll be sharing our opinion and strategies on Zoom analysis. Join our Telegram link in the description. Hello guys, welcome to KR Forex Trading. My name is KR Mokwena, the founder of KR Forex Trading. I'm owning a firm. I'm owning an academy of which we provide the services to retail traders. Okay, we are providing a live webinar. Okay, live trading sessions. Okay, signals. Okay, mentorship, and so many more in forex trading. If you want to learn with us in forex trading, okay, go to krforextrading.online. Meet one of the mentors, meet one of those communities that they hang around over there, and then please do not forget to subscribe in this channel. If you are new, welcome to our channel. Today we are picking up the forex trading, okay, the prop firm forex trading. Okay, so what is a prop firm? A prop firm is a proprietary firm, okay, that gives an opportunity to retail traders to trade with their own funds. First and foremost, as a retail trader, you go online, you search of any kind of a prop firm that you love, okay, and therefore you open an account with them, right? Therefore, you purchase a challenge. There's something called a challenge. You purchase it, and therefore they give you an opportunity to give with a bigger amount of money. All right. So now, let's say a 600k account. No, not 600. A 6,000. Sorry about that. 6,000k account, and then maybe you purchase it with $40 or even $50 or even $70. Problems are not the same. And then there's this other one called $100,000. Or $200,000, or even you want $15,000, or even you want $25,000, or even $50,000. Okay, so but then you purchase a demo account, but then you are going to withdraw that money in terms of when you made a profit on top of the initial balance when you are a funded trader. All right, so now that's a prop firm. So number two, I just quickly want to speak about the phases. Okay, so they give you phase one. All right, so in phase one, they tell you that, okay, in order for you to pass phase one, there are certain conditions that they are going to give it to you as a retail trader. Okay, one, they say the overall loss. All right, the overall loss. Now the overall loss, most of the prop firms, they say 10% overall loss. All right, overall. So let's just assume that they give you okay, you have purchased 100,000 account. All right, so in that 100,000 account, in that 100,000 account, they give you, okay, so now overall loss is 10%. All right, it's 10%, meaning in that 10%, you say 100,000 multiplied by 10%, meaning the overall is 10,000 overall. All right, okay, overall. And if by any means that your loss will exceed 10,000, then forget about that, you failed a challenge. Okay, you failed a challenge. So now the other thing is, they say now daily loss is maybe it's 5%. Okay, it's 5%, meaning the daily loss of 5%, meaning it's gonna be 5,000. Okay, maybe it's 5,000, because prop firms are not the same. Some of the prop firms, they say, okay, daily loss is 4%. Some they say it's 6%, but in a specific firm, there are different kinds of an account that they give you. Okay, so it depends on an account that you have purchased. Just like in Forex trading, there's a pro account, there's a standard account, there's a zero account, there's a ECN account. There are so many accounts in Forex trading in one broker. So even in prop firms, it's like that. Okay, so now they say overall the daily loss is 5%. So in that 5%, they say you cannot exceed 5% in your loss. All right, in your loss. Now the other condition is, they say the other condition, they tell you it's the pass rate. Okay, so in phase 1 they say it's 5%. Okay, it's 5%, 8%, I mean it's 8%. So you're gonna have to calculate that in that 8%, how much is in 100,000. So you're gonna have to calculate it. So let me get my calculator. 100,000 multiply by 8% over 100, it's 8,000. So meaning, they say 8,000, if you exceed 8,000 in profit. So this is where now they say, okay, now we are giving you phase 2. Okay, so now you passed it and then you are in phase 2. Phase 2 is different. Phase 2 is different in terms of the pass rate. Now the pass rate is 5%. So in that 100,000 initial balance, they give you, they say 5% of 100,000 is 5,000. It's only 5,000. And then now you are a funded trader. All right, now you are a funded trader. Okay, so now when you are a funded trader, now things are different. There are no conditions. Okay, there are no conditions whatsoever. Okay, but the only condition that you need to abide, okay, that you need to follow is only one thing. You cannot be able to withdraw that 100,000. You cannot. Okay, like you cannot. But then the great thing about the prop firms is, let's say you are trading one lot. Okay, you are trading XAU USD, which is gold. So now if you're trading gold, you make a profit of maybe, let's say 1,000 profit. Let's say you make 1,000 profit. In that 1,000 profit, you are going to withdraw it. Whether you like it or not, you are going to withdraw it. And then the balance, obviously, it will change to 1,000, 100,000 and 1. Okay. That's how it is. So the great thing about the profit is that they give you a significant amount of money for which you are going to trade with. Okay, so use this opportunity, guys. Use this opportunity, because the profits are there to help retail traders. Profits is better than depositing $5, depositing $10, depositing even 100 USD, even depositing 250 USD, because ultimately you are going to donate it back to the market. All right. So this is why we say, if you are trading with 100 USD or even 250 USD account, when you make profits, withdraw. That's how it is. Withdraw. Because we are trading to increase our bank account, not our Forex brokerage account. Get that? Because if you don't want to withdraw it, you are going to be manipulated by the market, and ultimately the market is going to take that money back, and then it's going to take your initial deposit and you're going to donate it to the Forex broker. So if you are in the prop firms, lucky for you. And if you are not, consider yourself to be in the prop firm space. And then there are some other things that I need to touch, and then there's a time limit. Prop firms are not the same. So the other prop firm would say, okay, if we give you the 100,000 account, okay, in that 100,000 account there's something called time limit for phase 1. So for instance, phase 1, they say, okay, we give you 15 days, for example. The other prop firms will say, okay, we give you 20 days. If you are not trading in that space of 20 days, we take the challenge and your account is not existing anymore unless you open another account and you buy a new challenge. Okay, so the other thing that you need to be aware of the prop firm is the leverage. Okay, so prop firms, they give you 1:100. That's it. That's an overhaul of it. They give you 1:100. Why? They know most of the retail traders, when they open the leverage account on the Forex brokerage account, they increase it to 1:2,000 or even 1:3,000. If they, by any chance, the broker is providing 1:3,000. But most of us, we do that. Why? Because we want quick money, we want fast money, and as long as we want fast money, the brokerage is going to take that money that we have, because the faster that you are willing to make money, the faster that you are going to lose that money. Okay, so the prop firm space, I love them because number one, they teach you the patience. Okay, be patient. Why? If even you have 100,000, okay, even you have 100,000 account in the prop firm space, but still use that 0.10 lot size, or even 0.50, one layer of a trade, or even 2 layers. Okay, and then ensure that in your daily space, you are not going to reach even 5%, maybe 1%, which is 1,000. It's your loss. Okay, it's your loss according to your setup. Maybe your setup is wrong or is incorrect, but then you are not willing to lose what you don't have, because in that 100,000 you cannot be able to lose 6% on a daily loss. They breach it, like they terminate your account because you are not following the law of the prop firm. Okay, and then the other thing that I would love to speak about on the prop firm space is the price purchase. Okay, the price, how much, okay, the price purchase for the challenges. Okay, the challenges. Okay, so now, for instance, some of the prop firms are thinking about the retail traders that they do not have any money. Okay, but then they say, okay, $60, we give you the account of 6,000. Okay, the prop firm, not at the other prop firm, but in the same prop firm, they say $100, you purchase $100 and you get the account of 10,000. Okay, so in that regard, if you purchase even 10,000 account USD with $100 from your bank account, still it is okay. Okay, it is okay. How much is 5% of $10,000? How much is that? I think it's $500. I think so. Let me do my calculation. I think it's 500 USD, 10,000 multiplied by 10%. Yeah, it's 1,000, but 10%, but then 5% of it, 5% is 500. Yes, it's 500. So let's assume that you're making 500 a day, and when you are a founded trader, still you're making money. How much? 500 in USD in a matter of 20 days, in a month. Okay, it's more. Okay, you are back in the game, and you withdraw it, and then you deposit to your Forex brokerage account, and therefore you have more balance, even you have more value to trade each and every time. Okay, and therefore what I love about Profams teaches us patience. Okay, they teach you how to be patient in the market. Okay, they teach you how to follow the law in the forex trading. Okay, you cannot risk more than you can't afford to lose. That's how it is. Okay, those are the conditions. So in order for you to pass the challenges, follow the conditions. Simple as that. Follow the conditions, and therefore you are going to pass your phase 1 as well as your phase 2, and therefore they fund you. Okay, they fund you. So nonetheless, I think this video, it is something that is very, very, very valuable to most of the people that have no idea what is Profam. Okay, so some of the traders, let me say most of the traders, they don't know what is a Profam, and they never heard about that word Profam. And if you meet this video on our channel, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe on this channel if you are you haven't been subscribing on this channel. Please support us. We are going to give you each and every knowledge that we have. I know that we are not perfect, but the knowledge that we have currently, we are going to ensure that we are going to give you whatever that we have in the forex market or in the financial market. Okay, so I've started this channel 2 weeks later, and then I can see now it's growing, and it's growing, and then but patience, once again, patience is everywhere. Patience is not because of it is in the forex market, but even on YouTube, it's patience. Okay, even in life in general, there's patience that you need to apply. So ensure that you apply patience. Patience is everywhere. Patience is in the education space, in school, whenever you are in grades, grade 1, grade 2, in order for you to reach grade 12, it's patience. Okay, like it's patience, but you apply reading, apply studying, revising, going to a tutor, whatever that it takes. But if you want to be part of our community, remember guys, go to krforextrading.online and then open an account there, and then please remember your credentials. Don't email us and then say, Mr. Mokwena, I don't know my credentials anymore, can you please check on your system? No guys, that's too much. That's too much. Please ensure that you do not forget your credentials, because that same credentials, you're going to use those credentials to log in. Okay, after login, and then you're going to meet our mentors for each and every day. Remember, we are hosting the webinars each and every day. They are there, like there's no free day. Free day, it's Saturday and Sunday, unless you on Saturday and Sunday you book at our mentors, and then you say, okay, please, can you please log in on our dashboard maybe at 14 o'clock. Okay, like you book them. But without booking, Monday to Friday, we are there for you. We are there. Remember, our currency pairs is GBP, JPY, GBP, USD. Okay. Remember, two things. We are not going to focus on many things. It will try to confuse you. because you are manipulating your mind once again. So if you want to be the master in the forex trading, focus on even one pair. It's okay, even one pair. All right. KR Forex Trading, your mentor, signing out.